Hello there, this is Amok from Recruiterflow, and in this video, I'll be walking you through how you can add candidates and contacts to your Recruiterflow account. So there are three ways you can do it. The first way was the extension. I am very sure that you are aware of how you can do it through the extension. So in this video, I'll be covering about the other two ways. So the first one is, let's say you have a sheet, Excel sheet, or any CSV file with the list of candidates and all other details. So manually doing it one by one, it could be very cumbersome. So there's a way where you can bulk upload a list of candidates in Recruiterflow. Here's how you do it. So I'm currently on my candidates page here, and you see this plus candidate button. Just click on that. Once you do it, and you will have all these options where you can do it one by one manually, or you have bulk options here via spreadsheet or resumes. Let's say you want to import a spreadsheet. Just click on bulk upload via spreadsheet. I'm assuming you have a spreadsheet with all the candidate list. Now, in our scenario, let me take a dummy spreadsheet here. So I'm just picking this up. Now, Recruiterflow is smart enough to understand based on the columns added in your sheet, how would they look in your Recruiterflow account. So I have some columns by these names, and Recruiterflow is smartly understanding what they mean and how they'll be mapped onto Recruiterflow. And once you're happy with that, just click on looks good and proceed to mapping. If you want to add any further details, you can do that over here. Now, for instance, let me just map name over here, email over here. You can do it so on and so forth. Now, the interesting scene is, let's say you are doing it recurringly where you have multiple sheets. So once you're done with the mapping for the first sheet, Recruiterflow saves that mapping. So it will remember how you do want to map your Excel sheets. Now, for instance, I have done this before. So I can choose my previous mapping scenarios here, and let me do that. So I have this export file, very similar structure. If I just click on that, you see the name, email, the phone, and all the experience, everything gets automatically mapped. And all I have to do is just click on save and continue. So this was the bulk way to do that. Now there's another way wherein we call mail drop. For instance, let's say you've been receiving resumes on your email address. So if you want to create a candidate profile right through that, what you can do is you can simply forward the email to your mail drop ID, and the candidate profile will be automatically clicked. So there are two ways you can find your mail drop ID. One is just head to settings and head to general settings here. Now you'll see your mail drop ID here. You can copy it from here, or in other scenarios, what you can do is for any job, just click on the job options here, and you have your mail drop link. Just copy it and just forward the email to the mail drop ID, and the candidate profile will be automatically created, and you'll also receive an email when that gets done. So these were the ways you can add candidates on Recruiterflow. We'll be back with some other videos to show you what other cool things you can do on Recruiterflow. Until then, see you.